is Ville Valve and I'm the co-founder of VVR Wood and I run the design and development in our company. Our element production process starts with the architect's 3D model, and we break walls and slabs to different element types and then design those elements. And typically our models can have hundreds of different elements and tens of thousands of different parts. And we have to make sure that this information flows through the construction process and is usable in every process. Archiframe is a very important tool for us because we design everything that we do using Archiframe. One of the most important features of Archiframe is the flexibility of the program. In our projects, typically we have many different types of elements, and the construction types are changing in every project. So we have to be able to make different element types, different drawing layouts, different parts. And the flexibility of Archiframe allows us to define the element types by ourselves and change them according to our needs. For us, the Archiframe is a digital tool, an important part of software automation, which helps our designers to make the routine work faster and more accurate, and so they can focus on the most important parts of the project. In choosing Archiframe, one of the most important aspects was the strong integration with ArchiCAD. And it's software which is used in a lot of architectural designers' offices, and this strong integration allows us to work more closely with the architects, and also we don't have to give other designers so many restrictions and guides to be able to integrate with our design processes. Every project is different, and we have to be able to meet our customers' needs.